Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this editorial look right here. I'm so pleased how it turned out and I love this blue lip. I think it looks just so cool and I love how it turned out. But if you want to see how I created this look and what products I used, please just keep on watching. So I've already done my base, foundation, concealer and all of that just because I want to focus on the eyes. So for my transition shade, I'm actually going to use this pink MAC blush. This is in the shade Fleur Power. It's just like a really pretty pink and I just want to use it as an eyeshadow, you know, because I can. So I'm just going to grab a fluffy blending brush and pick up some of this. And this is going to be my transition shade, so I'm going to blend it right into the crease. I'm going to take that into the inner and outer corner as I always do. I'm going to be flicking this right the way out as well. Taking that right into the inner corner of the nose and like the start of the brow. I'm going to be doing a cut crease look, so whatever's on the lid, you don't have to be too neat, we're just going to clean that up with a little bit of concealer. I'm then going to grab this MAC eyeshadow, it's in the shade Indian Ink, it's like a deep purple. I'm just going to take that on a flat brush and I'm going to apply this more into the crease to kind of define it a little bit more. So I'm going to start to flick it out as we go towards the end. Again, don't worry about what's happening down below. We're going to clean that up. Don't panic. Taking that right into the inner corner of the eye, like completely following the shape of the eye and coming in into the inner corner. I'm just going to take that blending brush that we used first just to blend that together just a little bit more. Now just taking that brush on its side to help blend that purple into the pink just a bit more. I'm then going to grab this blue eyeshadow. It's in the shade Electric Shock. It's by NYX. I'm going to use the same blending brush and pick up some of that. Just picking up just a little bit to start with. And I'm going to focus this just in the inner corner of my eye. And blend that right up towards the brow area. So I'm really pushing that into my brow. Working it right into the front part and then just once I get into the brow I just flick it up just so it gives that nice like transition. So really pushing the product in and then just flicking it up. I love these colours together. I like pink, purple, blues. I think they should work so well together. Now to carve out my lid space, I'm going to take my concealer. You can use any concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. So I'm literally just going to put some on the back of my hand like that. And then just using a concealer brush, I'm going to pick some of that up and start to carve out the shape of my lid. I'm going to take this up right to where that purple line starts. That line has already given us our shape of where we need to take the concealer up to. I'm also going to take this right out to the outer half of my eye, just completely following that purple crease line. Pressing over the top with my finger just to blend out that line there. Gives it like a nice blended look. I'm going to take that right into the inner corner of my eye as well. And then just like connect up that line. While I'm here, I'm just going to set my lid with my RCMA translucent loose powder. I'm then going to grab this yellow eyeshadow by MAC. It's in the shade Chrome Yellow. I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush and I'm going to pick some of that up. And I'm going to press this over my whole lid where we carved it out. Taking that right into the inner corner, right up to that line. And right out to the outer half as well. I'm actually going to take that underneath my lower lash line as well, just using the same brush. Just apply that over, under the whole lid. And then joining back into that top shadow that we laid down. I'm then going to pick up the shade Raw by MAC, just using a fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that. And I'm going to apply that on the outer part of my eye. Just to give it a little bit more like definition and shape to it. Literally just on the outer half of the lid. And then just using a really light hand just to blend that into the yellow. I'm not going to be doing full lashes, so I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to bronze up my skin just a little bit more with my Rimmel bronzer. Forgot what it's called. I'm just going to pick that up. For highlight, I'm going to use this purple one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Sassy Grape. I love it though, it's so cool. And I'm going to apply that all on the high points of my face. For lips, now this is a bit weird, but it's an eyeliner by Morphe. It's on the shade Harper, but it's like this metallic-y blue. It's so cool, and I want to use it for my lips. Because I was trying to find like a blue or like a yellow lip to go with this. I think it would just be really, really cool. This is the only thing I've got, is this blue eyeliner, so I'm going to apply this on my lips. Looks so cool. Doesn't help that my lips are really dry though. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Oh, it's so like metallic. Oh, it looks so good. Ooh. So this is it. This is the finished result. I all hope you enjoyed this editorial makeup look. I love doing editorial makeup looks. Like, that's when I feel I can get really creative and just do different things. Like, obviously this isn't a normal everyday tutorial or going out with your friends, like to a club or something, makeup tutorial, but I just love creating them. I think they're so different. That's when you can get like really arty. This lip, even though it is an eyeliner, it looks so cool. Oh, I'd love to find like a blue lip like this, or any other like coloured lips. Like, I need to find some really cool colours. I love this purple eyeshadow, purple highlight as well. Ooh, looks so nice. But yeah, I'm so pleased how it turned out. I all hope you enjoyed this editorial makeup look. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.